Being that I service my own vehicles, I want to put the best product I possibly can in my engine to make my car last and perform as best as it can. So this is why I use Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic. I have a 2013 Subaru Outback, and this is what I put in it every oil change without a doubt. They claim it provides better fuel economy, and they say it drives an average of an extra 550 miles per year. They also claim it keeps pistons up to 45% cleaner than the toughest industry standard. Formulated to provide faster, low-temperature oil flow protection in extreme heat. The 5-quart bottle has an ergonomic design for easily handling and pouring. I've used this a dozen times in this vehicle since I bought it pre-owned, and I had no complaints whatsoever. Cleaner pistons, better fuel economy, horsepower protection, and extreme temperature performance. I believe I'm getting all that with this quality product.